Well then, that's nice. Hello, good morning and good evening. Welcome back to the stream. I hope you're having a lovely time. I'm going to just repeat what I said because I really liked what I did. Today I'm going to have a list on the right side of the screen. That way, hey, this time I got it first try. And I'm going to be doing each and every point and spending no more than, like, say, 5 minutes on each one of them. And the point is, I am going to be done with this demo today. Everything, every silly little idea that I think is crucial is going to be in there, and that's how I'm going to get the ball rolling. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make that list. Now, there are two options. The first one is I just kind of make a new screen here and then write it down. So let's see if that works. Okay, let's do a new, not in scripts, project songs. Okay, yeah, so to do. Right, and then the to do goes here. Then scooch it to the side. Okay, yeah, that kind of goes like so. All right, yeah, the scroll bar is transparent. That's good. So now let's take a look if this is visible at all. So hello. Right, yes. So I'm gonna need to write pretty darn clear. I don't know if it's readable, but let's see. There is a list. I'm gonna do the good old fashioned just done when the task is done thing. So yeah, let's begin. Let's take a look at Milton and kind of jump between two. I'm not gonna show it because I'd have to switch around in like OBS. So I'm just gonna name what's written here and we'll go from there. So player, move, attacked, followed by camera. The player has an attack, a sideways attack, and a horizontal attack, a vertical attack. That is going to be important for later. Movement, that's fine. Don't need that right now. Okay, enemy. So we have an attack. We need enemy vertical attack. Enemy. Okay. There we go. Enemy vertical attack. Wait, we do have stuff for the player. Player, this is not Lua. This is text, plain text. Okay. Player movement sound effect. Player attack 1 sound effect. Player attack 2 sound effect. There's going to be a lot of typing right now. Right, so that's the sound effects. Visual effects, we have them. Enemy horizontal attack trail. Oh, yeah. Vertical attack. Why am I writing player? It's already obvious that it's player. Right, vertical attack. Vertical attack. VFX. Vertical attack. SFX. Oh yeah, I think it fits. Nice. Movement SFX. SFX. Yes. And also, this is also needed. Then player idle movement sound effects. Movement VFX. So just copy it over from the player. Next. Roll SFX dash SFX. That's fine. I don't think I need a dash effect. I'm gonna say I don't need a dash effect right now. Next. So is that everything? I believe so. Okay. Enemy. Vertical attack. I'm not like this is stupid. I'm gonna call it Cuber. Um, that's just gonna be the first name. Um, vertical attack, vertical VFX, SFX, the movement, then chat bubble, in the chat bubble. So I need a greeting text line, goodbye text line, warning text line, attack text line, disengage text line, bigger text line, hurt text line, blabber text line 1, 2, 3, blabber 1, blabber 2, blabber 3. So blabbers are just going to be randomly done. Okay. And then, so I have the vertical FX, SFX, movement, horizontal also needs horizontal, SFX, horizontal, yes, horizontal, attack, VFX. There you go. Okay. So I have the VFX, SFX, movement. That's fine. Badder than your favorite bad. Let's go. Turn the whole world into a savage. Nice. Good workaround, Steffi. Good evening to you too. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so for once we're having a plan on screen because I decided that that's it. Enough is enough. I also had a stand up yesterday where I got some critique for saying multiple times that I'm going to be fast and do this as quickly as possible, and then I ignore it. So now we are actually doing. I'm writing everything that I need to do. So I guess today, tomorrow, hopefully over today, and that is going to be here on the side. And if I ever do something that isn't here, people can angry ping me or something. So, how are you doing? Are you feeling any better now? You mentioned that you were feeling sick last time. I'm also going to just continue writing this. Okay, so text line, VFX, SFX, attacks. Some interact maybe, interact animations. Yeah, sure. Generic interact animation. Interact animation. Interactive effects is going to be with the objects, I assume. So that's good. Okay, next up we have Juno. So we need model. Next, idle animation. Run animation. No attacks. Movement VFX. Movement SFX. I'm good, feeling better now. I think it was just allergies, though I did get the biggest ick from this cute guy in the parliament today. Okay, interesting. I'm still trying to piece that sentence in my head. Yeah. Okay. Not gonna ask you why you were at Parliament though. I remember that you wrote that elections are coming up, so I imagine it has something related to that. Oh no, I'm mixing everything up. Sorry. No elections. Yeah, no American elections. Uh, mm, right. To yeah, I was the Parliament of Quebec for touristic reasons. Okay, gotcha. Mm-hmm. To mm, nothing political or anything. Simply sightseeing. Oh, that's cool. Sounds nice. Wonder how it looks. I am side. I'm distracting myself, but I am curious. Parliament. Oh damn, looks cool. Kind of looks like something out of Bridgerton. Not gonna lie. Mm-mm. Model idle run. Okay, I can copy most of these over and then just kind of look. It's over 200 years old, so it does have a very vintage look. Okay, yeah, makes sense then that it would have something like that. Movement, chat bubble, greetings, goodbye warning, tag, disengage, picker, heart, blabber, interact, animation. Okay, help, ask, ask what doing, text line, ask, can speak, text line, ask, understand, text line, ask, show yes, text line, ask, show no, text line, confirm yes, text line, confirm. I don't know if it's visible on stream. Yeah, the part no. Text line. If anyone's curious, what am I doing? On the very, very right side of the screen, I am writing down everything that I need to do. Yeah, so as you can see, mostly it's just going to be writing text lines. But I also need to make the chat bubbles so it appears. So I'm going to start with those. Okay, so what are we doing? Can we speak? Do we understand what you're saying? Show yes, show no, confirm yes, confirm no. Um, yes. Yes is no. What text line? And then what else? What else? Interact animation. Thinking animation. There we go. Thinking animation needs one too. Cuber. Okay. Right. I think that's maybe everything. Running. Dashing. Is Juno going to be dashing? Juno is going to be dashing. So I am going to need a dash animation. Okay, then I need actions. So think, action, interact, action. Move to position, action. turn towards action, attack action, chase action, follow action, follow with distance action. I guess chasing and following is the same, so let's do follow, just a follow action. Follow with distance action. Then what else? Sneaking animation? Why would you sneak? You can't really sneak up on the player. Rest sitting animation? Sure. I think we need one of those. Otherwise, it's thinking resting animation. Yes. Resting animation. And then actions. Think, interact, move, turn towards, attack, follow with distance. This is going to be lots and lots of copy over code, but that is a-okay. We're not doing refactoring. We're not doing final systems. We are just making it work for now. Okay, so is that everything? Is that everything? I guess I'm going to work on a couple on the other stuff just to make sure, and then we will go from there. Maybe I do want some kind of generic enemy. Do I not? Cuber's kind of. Okay. I am still thinking about it, so I want to test it, so Grubbo, let's call them Grubbo. So we are going to need same stuff. These are all the animations. I need to group them together. Yes. So Grubbo, sure, let's have a dash animation for Grubbo. So attack 1 animation, attack 2 animation. I'm gonna need the sword clash effects, but sword clash, attack clash, attack clash effects, attack clash VFX. Yes, attack 1 SFX, attack hit SFX, attack hit VFX, and then same for Cuber, and then I need here as well. Attack SFX, attack VFX. Okay, attack 1 VFX, attack 1 SFX, attack 2 animation, attack 2 VFX, attack 2 SFX. Next, attack hit, movement, chat bubble, greeting, goodbye, warning, disengage, bicker, hurt, blabber. So no asking. Yes is no what. Resting, think, interact, move to position. Yes. All of those are good. So that's Okay, that's player done. Check. Enemy, check. Friendly, check. Boss, check. Companion. Okay, I don't have friendly, so Rupert. Let's go. We're gonna have a Rupert. And oh boy, I'm gonna need some interactions, though. Yeah, okay, I know. Juno. Address Rupert 1. Text line. Rupert 2 text. 2 text line. Cuber 1 text line. Cuber 2 text line. And then Grubbo 1 text line. Grubbo 2 text line. And then Rupert is gonna have for Juno, and Cuber is going to have for Juno text line. And I guess player 1 text line. Player 2 text line. Juno 2 text line. I don't know why I'm making 2, but I guess it's just that I wanted to randomize some kind of text line, so that's kind of me forcing to do that. Yes, so that's done. Yeah, I guess Juno is also then gonna need some like player specific. Player 2 text. Actually, no, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, that's not player 1. Unknown 1 text line. Unknown 2 text line. Yeah, player is... There are no player text lines. There are only unknown text lines. Perfect. So everyone has unknown text lines. Grubbo has unknown text lines. And Grubbo doesn't address anyone else. And Rupert is going to be similar to Juno. So, but he's not going to have a dash. They're not going to have a dash. Chat, greetings, goodbye, warning, disengage, picture heart. Blabber, ask what doing, so no asking. And no confirming. They're not going to talk to themselves. That's what Blabber is for. Not going to talk to Cuber. Not going to talk to Grubbo. Are going to talk to Juno 1 text line. Juno 2 text line. Yes. Think, actions, interact. Okay, that's everything, I believe. Oh boy, so this is only for the characters. Like, this is already basically 160 tasks. Hello, Stranded Litter. Sorry, I am not interested. You banned. Next. What else? What else? Combat patterns, combat animations. One tree model, one box model, one wheat field. Right. Okay. Circular arena. Do I need to add anything? No. Some decor. Okay, so let's write down decor. I kinda have mostly everything. I'm not sure there's much else needed. I guess I can use this opportunity to kind of show off what was done since last time. So, one of the main things was I added an animation to Cuber. So now this is just like a test where he kind of walks around and then does an attack at the end of it. So yeah, so I made the the running animation, and the attacking animation. It's just kind of like a front hand swing. Is that how I'm saying it in English? Yeah, front hand. Yeah, front hand swing. Yeah. Then what else? So now the dash is a little shorter. Also, I added a roll, and I'm really happy. It's really faked. Like the way it's made is, you don't actually just flip around because, well, there are no bones, so I can't like bend the player over to kind of be in a more ball-like shape. So what I do is I scale the model down, and so it kind of looks like it's not just like, oh, it's like a completely turn in the air kind of thing. It looks like you're going closer to the ground, which I think really sells the effect. So yeah, I'm really happy with the roll animation. And the roll animation kind of locks you in the rotation that you do. So you can do fun stuff like roll forward, then roll backwards, and then you're like you change direction. It's a pretty, it's just one of those fun things you can do with this movement system. So yeah, so that's basically it. Oh yeah, and also I finished the telescope effect. I don't think I actually showed it off yet. So yeah, once you go further away, this telescope kind of starts zooming in, and then at its max, it kind of locks you off and you can't go any further. These are just the player models moving, and then you kind of retract it. So I can like demonstrate with this tent here. So I'm just moving back. And as you can see, I can't go any further, but if I move with the character, I can like kind of pan around and rotate. And if you go back, you kind of get more view. And I know I would like to have like a marker that kind of shows how close you are to like getting back to the start position. There is a dead zone, so you can just like kind of not move the camera at all. It's just there to help see what's going on the map. Like see that, hey, there's actually like a piece of boots inside this chest. So yeah, that's that. Really happy with this. Like this is kind of the main offender of I really overdid it. I was just having so much fun working on this, and hey, I'm happy. I'm quite proud of it. Hopefully I will use it. If I won't use it, I will just discard it and maybe use it in a different game. I don't know, but yeah, it was just a fun little thing to make. So let's get back to looking around. So one of the main issues I had in terms of decor is that all of the ground looks the same. So I want sand piles model. So that's one thing. So I want sand piles. Oh, I have returned. What did I miss? So I'm just showing off what I did from last stream. So I added Cuber some animations. So now he runs around and then does a front hand swing attack thing. Yeah, right now it's just completely random where he goes, but it's confined in the box. Next up, I added a roll animation for the player. It's just I'm rotating the character and then also scaling it down so it feels like the character is more closer to the ground. And finally, I finished the telescope effect. So now as you go further, it kind of comes in, zooms in a little bit, and it restricts your view to not go any further than a certain distance. Like these are moving, so it doesn't look right. But if I find something like the tent and I try to go, you can see that it kind of locks up the telescope at a certain range. Like this is the furthest that you can see. And if you go any closer, then you can see a bit more of it. And if you go back, you get a better view. So this is just to encourage people to kind of go up close and personal to look at stuff. But like I understand that right now you're not getting any extra view with this, but in the future you're probably going to be able to see, like, I don't know, maybe a screen more. Maybe you can upgrade the telescope, and It's both a tool to see further and also to see closer at what's happening. But right now, I guess it's just something to see closer. So like admire the bubbles. Water ripples? Yeah, water ripples. So yeah, that's basically it, what was done since last time. And now I am back to filling out the to-do list, which, spoiler alert, is now 170 lines long, and I haven't even finished it. This is going to be like 300 lines long at the end of it. 2 days, I say. That might be ambitious. But a lot of stuff is going to be duplicates, so hopefully it's like this list divided by 4, so it's right now like 50 tasks, which is still fine. So I said I would like some sand piles. I think that would look pretty nice as some decor elements. Do I want flowers? Maybe, maybe not. Like some beach flowers? Is that a thing? Beach flowers. I'm also thinking hay bales. Oh yes, like the beach grassy grass stuff. Yeah. Grassy grass model. Yeah, okay, that's something I can do. And beach flowers. I have an idea for one kind of beach flower that's more common here. So I'm going to do that. Are these palm trees too small? I think they are way, way too small. Right? Yeah, okay. Let's fix that, I guess. So palm trees, which ones are these? Yes. All of these, okay. I want to scale you up. No, not that way. I want to scale them up in every way. How do I do that? Oh, there we go. Yes. Does it scale properly though? Uh-huh. That's kind of too big. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? So yeah, now they're kind of tall, but they also, so would they reach up to the top? I don't think so. Let's take a look. Are all of these buried? Yes, they are. I'm gonna move them closer, I think, to each other. A little bit. No, that's the wrong one. Okay. Let's just see how it looks in game. Right, we have the, oh wow, we have the very tall ones. Yeah, so now you can't really see because of them, which is problematic. Like at least with these ones you can see, but these look more like actual palm trees. Are palm trees like the bark? Is it something you can hug? Hugging a palm tree. Yes, and they're actually, you can hug it, so it's kind of roughly human. Kind of roughly. Oh, it's actually sometimes even larger. Okay. I think that this might be then pretty darn good. Yeah, so we can, like, it would kind of make sense. That's kind of the right size. I could make them a little bigger, but I think that's fine. If I did, it would be hard to see the player. That's an interesting bokeh effect. Okay, so I need to hide tree leaves, I guess. That's a future problem. I'll take a look at that maybe later. Okay, what is your size? I know, this is not intended. Nintended, I guess. I want a pretty number. Does that matter? No. All right, no pretty number for me. All of these trees, yes. Okay. I'm going to scale them to 2.374. Okay. They are the same size. Yes, they are the same size. And now these ones are a lot more clumped together. That's cool. I'm gonna scale them down. But also I need to fix the positioning now. Okay. You move over. I don't know if palm trees usually grow this close one to each other, but I imagine they don't actually. Let's move you down just to get some variance. Move you down. Turn you to the side. What I've learned about trees is that they grow where there are no other trees, like in terms of leaves, usually, like for directionality. So I would assume this one would go this way. That's this one is interesting. So it's probably going in that direction. Yeah, and this one would go this way. Okay, that kind of looks better now. It's a bit random, but also not too random. This one is a bit weird, but no, it's fine actually. It kind of looks okay. Okay, so fixed with the decor stuff. So for decor, I only need the sand piles, the grassy grass, and the beach flowers. Okay. Decor done. Combat, 2 attacks, yes. Combat animations, yes. Normal, random patterns. Look forward, move to attack, follow, run away, talk, shockwave, wait. Oh yeah, I need talking animations and a runaway animation. Yes, but running away is just I think it's fine. I guess I'll just add a runaway action. But running away is just moving to. It's moving to backwards. Position action, move to backwards. There we go. That's the action I need. Because people don't always move move to backwards. Move to position. Move to position. Move while looking. There we go. That's better. Now, what this is just basically characters are going to be moving in a direction while also looking at something. Move to, move while looking, move while looking, move while looking. Okay, so that's done. Also need a shockwave, talking animations. Talking animations, oh boy. Animations, where are the animations? Here. Okay, talking animation. Talking animation 1, talking 2 animation. Because if it's always the same animation on loop, though, I Actually, no, I have a better idea. It's just going to be a talking animation, but it's going to be really, really long. And I'm just going to start at a random point, and that will be much better. So, talking animation for Juno. Guru Rabo, talking animation, yes. Rupert, talking animation, yes. And then Cuber, shockwave attack, shockwave effect, shockwave particle, VFX, shockwave SFX, shockwave. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, basically that. And I know if things are going to interact, maybe just like shockwave push. Yeah, let's say that, shockwave push. And then idle run talk actions, animations. Yes, so random patterns, animation sounds, steps on grass, shockwave, talk noises on ambient wind. Yes, I need in decor waves crashing, sound, ambient chasm echoes, then palm tree leaves brushes, something like that. Ambient. Okay. And then I need. Okay, I need both talking, but I guess text line and voice lines. Okay, I'll decide later on that one. I'll leave that till the very end if I want to voice act all of the stuff. Or not. Okay, next, music. Let's go. For music, I want... moving sound. I really want characters to play a different sound when they're moving on sand, but I will see if that's necessary later. Okay, music. So for music, I need a simple jingle. Then I need I need a calm. I need mystery, fight, and danger. That's the music I need. Okay. A tree model. That one's actually already done. A box. I already have a box. It's called a chest. I guess I can have a random box, but no. Wheat field. So that's something. There's something to do. Wheat fields. They're not gonna brush over, but maybe they are. Oh, I actually have an idea. So the grassy grass model, grassy grass brush, sway effect, grassy grass, out of the way. I give up on small naming. What am I writing? Never mind. Grassy grass. Bend when close effect. Okay. Good. So basically the grassy grass is going to be the wheat. Collect like grassy grass is kind of turned into a thing of its own right now. Grassy grass. So I need a model, I need a sway effect, I bend when close effect, shuffle SFX, and then what else? Interact when interact, shuffle, yeah. Shuffle. Okay, interact shuffle effect. Sure, there we go. And then a campfire, interact with chest. Yeah, so the chest, interact to open, chest, open SFX, close SFX. Then what else? What else? Oh, I can use the old Minecraft chest open and close effect. That would be cool. No, I'm gonna find something. Maybe an open sound. Next, so chest opening. Chest doesn't have any VFX, I believe. And that's basically it. It does something when interacting. So that's fine. So I have two things that are interactable with. I guess the water SFX. Where is the core? Sand piles. Echoes. Then water ripples SFX. Water bubbles SFX, I guess, yeah. Basic endgame restart UI. Okay, we're getting to the endgame, people. Right, what do I do? Basic endgame. So there is gonna be a basic endgame, I guess. Endgame. Leave cave, show end of game. That's basically the basic endgame, I imagine. Then UI, restart, continue, pause, maybe, yeah. Exit, options, options, volume, and that's basically it. Okay. Particles, a slash, run, shockwave action on wheat, on tree. Sure. Let's say, what is the tree animation? I'm gonna skip the on tree shake animation. Well then, I guess I'm doing a tree shake animation. Palm tree shake animation. I don't know how that's going to look like, but sure. Next, what else? Random spawn location, random targets. Yeah. Let's say, where is Rupert? Rupert is gonna be one of many. There's gonna be Rupert, Zupert, Lupert, Boopert, Dupert, Goopert, Tupert, etc. Random spawn locations. That's just going to be something that happens. All locations and fall from the sky. There we go. I need a VFX. Okay. Land animation. Land VFX. Land SFX. A stamina bar. I'm so scared. I am like it's going to ruin the view, but hopefully it isn't. Okay, health bar, stamina bar, and then I need a power bar. I didn't write that there, but I am going to need one. Is it going to be power bar around cursor? Maybe circular? That might work. Like it's a bit transparent, but also circular. Okay. Enemy attack indicators. Do I have attack slashes? I'm gonna need attack slashes for all of these. Shockwave. Though, actually, do I need attack indicators like the animation, like the backswing? Yeah, I'm not gonna have attack animations. Like the attack indicators. There's just gonna be animations. But I need these slash effects. Vertical attack. Wait, vertical attack VFX. That's still that. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We good. We good. We good. We good. We don't have. Wait, Grabo. I am missing attack action. No attack action. No locations. It's not Rupert. It's Grabo. I completely mixed them up. Sorry, Rupert. Yes, this is what I wanted. And we have the VFX. Land animation. Yeah, that's gonna be on Grubbo. And then enemy attack indicators. No enemy attack indicators. And stagger block system. There is no block system yet, but I do need stagger animations. So Grubbo stagger animation. And everyone is gonna need a stagger animation. Rupert is gonna need a stagger animation. Juno, a stagger animation. Hurt animation. Yes. Both of these are gonna need one. Spoil disagreement. Hello, your band. Thank you. That was a bot, so that is why. Where was I? Stagger. Yes, I'm gonna see stagger and hurt. Grubbo, stagger and hurt. Juno, stagger and hurt, and then Cuber, animation, talking, stagger and hurt. And with that, I believe finally we have it all. We have a 239 point list of what needs to be done. I'm gonna need to do even more. Like I don't have a main menu. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do intro sequence, penguin model, penguin enter animation, penguin turn. I guess that's included in the penguin idle animation, penguin. This is just gonna get annoying. So penguin enter animation, idle animation, model uh, talk animation and walk SFX, talk SFX, no VFX, show sequence, penguin enters, penguin asks you to confirm existence. There we go. Penguin leaves. Enter game. Enter animation. Leave animation. Then I also need a main menu. So main menu, start game, options, exit, background is gameplay, player on ground animation, something like that. And I believe that might be it. Ambient sounds. That's it. 264 lines of stuff I have to do. And I said I'll be doing it all in one day. So, if there's ever anything that has my pressure up for, oh boy, I can't spend much time on any of this, it's this. This is a good old list. So, with that, let's actually get a move on then. So, open game sound. Open game. Free music. Free sound. Open music. Where? I'm forgetting the website. Free music. Royalty free? No. SoundCloud. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. There's a website. Open. So open game art is for art. What is for sound? Websites for sound samples. Free websites for sound samples. Free sound. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh, they changed their logo. Ooh, they have a dark theme now. Nice. Okay. That is good. Sign into chat. Yes. So piano loops, 107 effects. I'm going to start listening. Hopefully I can still see chat. I guess I still can. Technically all of this should be open art, though. You know what? Never mind. I'm gonna look for music afterwards. I know it's an easy task, but I just don't want to risk with copyrights to play music I haven't yet tested on stream, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna go to attack hit VFX. So, yes, I'm going to make a little particle thing for on attack hit. And how do I want to do that? Just GPU particle. So let's take a look. Player. Nope, not here. This stays like that forever now. And I'm just working in this region right here. Huh. How come I have more space now? Okay. good. So, particle animation player. No, this is not what I want. GPU particles. Yes, move particles. So move particles. What can you do? Can you emit particle at transform 3D from? So you want a transform. Okay. Vector free velocity, color custom. Emits a single particle, whether X form, velocity, color, and customs are applied depends on the value of flags. See, emit flags. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work. What I imagine is a better case. I want a particle pool, and then I just create them, instantiate them, and then do that. Okay, so let's do a particle spawner. So what is this? This is the water ripples. Okay, water ripples. Yes. And you, I would like you to go to the world. Yes. There. All right. This is the UI. I want a new, I guess, part of the world. No, it's not part of the world. It is part of the world. Particle, no, node 3D. Let's call you particle spawner. And let's give you a script. This also called particle spawner. And you are going to have an export of GPU particles 3D list GPU particles. Can I make it a list? Do you still understand what that is? New list view. Hey, I'm going to be leaving. I have a few things to finish tonight. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah, thanks. You too. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, Steffi. Particles. Private member particles can be removed. The type. Ah, okay, nice. They actually specify that this type is not supported. Cool. So I can just do that then. New. Yes. So I have the GPU particles. Override. I'm gonna need an override ready. Public static particle spawner instance already. If instance is not equal to null, destroy gd dot destroy Godot C# how to destroy self. Kill an instance of a scene. If one is simply Q free. Okay, there we go. Q free. Let me return. Instance is equal to this. And then public static void spawn particle vector free position public partial class sure, just particle type And then player clash. Player clash. Yes. Yes, player hit. Player hit. Session particle type switch. Yes. So it's not gonna be, or is it gonna be duplicated? Okay. Let's just say it is. Let's try with it being duplicated. Duplicated and then they spawned. Let's say that. Yeah, maybe not. Make a copy, delete it. That might be the simplest case. Okay, yeah, particle type. What is wrong here? Particle type, type. Particles. Particle type. No, that's not right. Particle type. To spawn. What's wrong? And consistent accessibility. Yes, that is because I haven't done public yet. That is why it's inconsistent. To spawn. So, dictionary. You're not supported? It's not supported. C# export dictionary. Godot C#. C# dictionaries versus Godot dictionaries. So is there a like Godot dictionary? Godot collections. Yes. Okay. There we go. So that was a problem. I was using the wrong collection. So Godot dictionary, it's exported. That's good. So now, actually, I want it to be a particle type. Let's just take a quick look. Does it work? Yo, hey Brick, hey Steffi, hey there, final turn. Glad of you to join. I heard Steffi just left recently, so I'm not sure if they're here anymore. Great. Now that I have you, I have a question. What is your Mastodon? Because I've been looking for it and I can't find it. I finally did it. I actually did it last time, but I did all of these socials. I now have. Wait, I have a thing for this. I now have all of the platforms down below that you can find in the About section. I have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Mastodon, Blue Sky, and a Discord server. So if you're interested in joining and seeing some maybe regular, I've skipped some days for now, updates, you can find them down below. Yeah, it also just might be the best source of communication in case I decide to like cancel a stream or do a random impromptu stream where I just play, I don't know, Psychonauts or something. So yeah, all the stuff down here. Hell yeah, look at that transitioning between scenes. This is the quality is getting too good. Sam, how have you been doing? Also, the reason why I was asking for your Mastodon is because I am curious to see how the demo is going. Have you started yet, or is that planned for next week? I can't remember. I wanted to check here. New key. Add key value pair. Null bool. Packed array dictionary object. Ooh. Okay. I have one, but I might stop posting on Mastodon because there seem to be enough people that. Okay, gotcha. I posted an update on Blue Sky if you want to see. Still working on level design. Unfortunately, still doesn't really feel demo ready. Oh, yep, sure. Yep, I have both. I also had a X account, but I tried changing my password and then changing my mail address, and it all just broke down. And I tried to reach out to support, and they're not helping. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a Twitter account at all. I tried. I really tried. I even had some posts on there. Like I think I still have it linked in my about section, but yeah, Twitter ain't doing so well. So it's probably going to be forgotten completely. Yeah, that's how it is. Right. I wanted to check. So, okay, so these are untyped. So that's not good. I don't like that. Okay, I'm just gonna do it the old fashioned way and figure it out for another time. This is not going to be a dictionary. We are going to just have a regular array of particle type. Dictionary particle type. GPU particle instance. GPU particles. And this is going to be why do you not want to work? Particle type, particle types. I guess it's because of this. Yeah, so export system export subgroup export Godot C# make an enum editor viewable. Makes yeah, I want to use Godot doesn't have enum, so that's not possible. Those things that look like enums that use the enum keyword are nothing more than dictionary of type string int. Those things that use the enum keyword without a variable name are just constant inside curly braces. What you could do is redefine your enum. Sure. Oh my, feeling kind of okay. Welp, strings it is then. String particle types. GPU particles 3D particle instances. Then I add a dictionary string GPU particles 3D. Can I do this with string name? String name. Yes, I can do it with string name. That's good. So let's do it with string name. And then particle types. There's not going to be a dictionary. String name. That's good. And then I want particle static class particle types const no string name. Can do constant string name. Player hit is equal to player hit. Like, I don't understand why I can't do that. String names are immutable strings. Okay, so they're immutable by design, so they don't have to be public static player hit. Why is this wrong? Cannot declare instance members public static player hit. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that. That's fine. That's not that terrible. So yeah, so to spawn, we have the particle types. That's fine. Where is it? Where is it? What was it doing? Yeah. So I'm going to go C#, how to spawn scene. Spawn an object. How to spawn an object in C#. I wonder where this person is coming from. Nothing against it, but just I think it sounds very much like something how if someone coming from Unity would write it. Like I typed the very same thing, so yeah, there we go. gd.load packed scene. Okay, yes. gd.load scene.instance. So I do need a packed scene. I need a list of packed scenes. Okay. So this is actually going to be a packed scene. Particle instances, yes. And then all of these I will need to preload on ready. Yes, so for length increment. Okay, GPU particles, add particle types, particle instances I. You are a packed scene. I forgot. Packed scene. Okay. And then also I want to do GPU particles I dot preload gd dot preload load. Oh, I can't see Godot C# preload. I don't think I can preload. That's something is not available in C#. Okay, yeah. So I cannot preload. So I will have to load then. Load. That's an interesting limitation. I wonder why. Yeah. Off the top of my head, I'm assuming something C# is loaded at runtime, and that's like GD script has some pre stuff. That's why it can preload, and they just don't want to tangle it all up. So in a way, what you could get is that you have C# stuff being preloaded, meaning that it's happening before GD script stuff, and hopefully it's just something that hasn't been implemented. Like, I'm completely headcanon guessing right now, like what could be happening. Articles. Why is this wrong? Cannot convert from int to Yes. Particle types I. Why do not I can I convert from packed scene to string? Load. Why can't I load a packed scene? Oh wait, I already, because the packed scene is already loaded? Or is it because it's in there that it's already, where even was I? Yeah, so packed scene. So okay, if I'm referencing packed scenes, I guess they're technically already loaded, so all I need to do is instance it. Hopefully. Dot instantiate. Yes. Cool. Great. And that's all I need to know about that. Usually the packed scene is what you get when you load. Yeah, so I guess if I just, I'm hoping that if it's similar to Unity, if I just link it through the editor, it's going to do some magic behind the scenes and it's going to load it for me. So that's kind of bad, and that's because it says that everything is loaded then at the same time, but at this point, don't care. I have 280 points I need to do, and caring about performance ain't one of them right now. This is so different. Like, oh yeah, like for the past, like, I know, a couple of days, it's been chill. I've just been having fun. I've done some like telescope effects and stuff, like, ooh, some animations, some attack patterns, ooh, like there are water ripples and stuff. Like, hey, look at this, like, telescope effect that like kind of zooms in and out. And now I have way too many small tasks I have to do, and I am feeling the stress. Anyway, so what we're going to do is GPU particles, instance dot GPU particles to spawn dot instantiate. What does this do? Instantiate GPU particles 3D. Thing is equal to, okay, instance. Why is it object reference? Yes, this is a static instance. Yes. Okay, and then I'm getting the particle. Let's call it the particles. Instance GPU particles to spawn dot instantiate. Ooh, yeah, this is not fitting. Dot instantiate. There, that kind of looks bad. That's fine. I can just say that it's bad naming, but sure, let's say that. Okay, what else? What else? Oh, I guess I can fix this. 1 second. Let's just do that. Done. Clean. What else? Particles dot position is equal to position. Particles dot emit. Godot C# delayed destroy. it's going to want me to do a timer. I am absolutely sure of it. I do not want a timer. I'm going to say particle instance. That's the name. Effect instance. That fits. Yes, I'm now making names based on whether they fit or not. So you're going to be a other known GPU particle 3D, and you're gonna be called particle effect instance, and it's going to have effect instance. That's gonna be good. Yes, your position is going to be particles dot effect dot start, and then I'm going to add to you public void start. You are going to have a ready just in case. I don't think it's gonna happen. Anything is gonna happen, so you're not gonna have it ready. GPU particles 3D particles, and to the particles dot play emitting true. Wow, this is gonna need a process, but I never said it. It's not gonna have one. Export float timer. Let's just do a double because I don't want to do the conversion step. And the timer is going to default at 1 second. Let's say should be enough for most effects. Bad assignment here. Now I do timer minus equals delta. If timer is less equal than 0, timer is more than 0, I return. And then I queue free, and we are done with this particle. Great. So I have like a base thing. So let's call you effects instance template. Yes, that's the template. And now I can make, where did I even put it? Effect instance template. It's just in resources. Okay. Models, assets, scenes. Let's new create folder, particles. Yes, put it here. Then let's, hello, duplicating effect, effect, player hit. There we go. Now let's do some particle stuff. Material, nothing is visible by meshes. I want drawing. No, drop passes. A new pass. It's gonna be a box. The box is gonna have a material, the new standard material. It's gonna be white. Yes, with a little bit of blue. Yeah, cool. The size of this thing is gonna be 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. That's way too big. 0.1, 0.1. That's still too big. 0.05, 0.05, 0.5. There we go. And then I want it to absolutely go haywire in everything. So a lifetime of 1 second. One shot. What does that mean? If true, only the number of particles equal to amount will be emitted. Oh, that's cool. I guess that's one way of doing the particle stuff. So let's do 20 particles, let's say. Speed scale, explosiveness. If you... Oh yeah, I want to be explosive. Randomness, emission randomness ratio. Let's go 0.5. I want it completely random. 30 FPS, interpolate, frac delta, cool. Drawing, trails, no trails, process material, new process material. So now it's just particle flags, rotate, spawn, position, emission shape, scale, sphere, emission sphere. Yeah, that's too big. Yeah, I'll just like make a one. Yeah, then I need an angle. Let's just give it a big angle. Okay, velocity. Inherent velocity. Yes. Velocity pivot. What does that mean? Spread. Okay, 180. Yes. Flatness. Initial velocity. Oh. There we go. We're getting something now. Gravity, yes. I think that might be a little bit too much velocity, honestly. Yeah, max is 1. I want the emission sphere to be a lot smaller. And I also want the direction to be is y up, yes. Minimum to be 1. 4? No. Yes, 2. Spread of 90. Kind of works, yeah. Animated velocity, angular velocity, directional velocity. Don't know orbit velocity. What do you do? No idea. Velocity load. Okay, I'm gonna say that this kind of looks like what I want it to look like. So I'm gonna leave it at that. This is the player hit effect. Now if I go effect instance template, where is the particle spawner? Yeah, so the particle spawner, I want this to be save branch as scene, particle spawner, scenes, new folder, managers, save. Okay, and now you are going to build here. All right, so particle types. This is going to be the first one. It's going to be, all right, this is bad, right? I can't use this. I can't use that. I'm going to need to keep it like a simple string. And then it's going to convert it into a string name. And I can use that. Cool. Build. Don't crash. Thank you. This is going to be what is it called? Player hit. Player hit. Okay, and then the element is going to be quick load. Player hit scene. Cool. And then basically, I think that is everything. So now let's do player. Where's attack one? Particle spawner dot spawn particle player dot position, and then particle types player hit. Let's see if this does anything. Lots of debugger stuff. Object reference such an instant of an object here. Oh, it actually jumped me. GPU particles ready for yes. Ready object reference not set. GPU particles is equal to new dictionary string yada yada. Yes, keep that here. Let's try again. Yes, it's crashing. Particles, yes, because they are not assigned. So I need to affect. Wait. That's not right. This is so much simpler. It's not particles emitting. It's just emitting. It's true. Done. And then I run it. No errors, but also nothing is happening. So I have a sneaky suspicion that, wait, let's run it, and then remote search player hit. Okay, now I attack. Okay, so it's this one, but it's not updating or it's not spawning. Can it be instantiated? Okay, gd dot print instantiating. I really should fix the debugger. It is doing it quite a lot. That's fine. Hopefully, maybe. gd.print can instantiate yes, I want to check that. Yes, it can instantiate, so it is instantiating. So that I am not doing something. The effect is here, its position is good. It's starting, so emitting is true. And then it's overriding. Timer minus delta for 1 second. Timer more than 0. We turn. And then we queue free. So it should be fine. Unless player hit. Unless the script is timer 1. Yes, it's still good. Let's do a timer 10 just in case. Okay, it might be that it's going underground. So spawn particle position plus vector free dot up times 10. Let's do something like that. No, it is not spawning particles. At least it doesn't seem to be so. Remote root. I'm also not getting any logs that something is wrong. Is instantiating not enough? Add child. Of course it's not enough. Of course it's not enough. I need to add child. That's not it. Yeah, that should work. Did they change it? gd dot add child. No. Why can't you add child as found here? Page not found. Godot C#. Add child. With Pactine, you call it. Yeah, add child, and then I just do add child, and then effect. And it's supposed to work. Oh, I know why. There we go. Done. Static methods, classic. Different engine, same forgetfulness. Okay, so now this should work. It's raining particles. Hallelujah, it's raining particles. Okay. Effect hit. It is a one shot. All of them should be one shots. Maybe not. Hey, yes, hype. Also, by the way, final. Did you send the link? I did not see it, though. Maybe I can actually find you on Blue Sky. I did look, but I wasn't sure. Search notifications. Oh, hey, I can follow back. Nice. Here it is. Chat. You think I could jump over this downed pole? Hey, nice. You got a Go plushie. Cool. Nice. Damn. The spark effects look really nice. Nice. Nicely done. Cheap viewers, thank you, but no. You're banned. Garbled cop. I've also started using particles. Nice, nice. I had to combine it with a light animation so that it flickered on the ground. Yeah, like that is a really good touch. Like it's something that's like sparking and that it's emitting light. That is really, really good. Like that instantly caught my eye, like the right side little explosion splash. Really, really, really nice. Yeah. Okay, so I have particles. I want them to be instantiated based on animations, but that's not gonna work. So what do I do? What do I do? Oh, I guess that's like collision enter stuff. All right, yeah. I guess I have the particle now, so that's at least something. Vector free dot up times 10. Yeah, so no need for the... I guess I'll just do a vector free plus up. So now I have a bunch of particles that spawn when you attack. That's going to be the attack hit effect. Doesn't look like an attack hit effect at all, but that is fine. I guess it doesn't need that much gravity now that I'm thinking about it. So I might just quickly edit that. I know I don't need to do all this stuff, but gravity. Where is gravity? Let's do it at like a minus 0.8. Yeah, okay, there we go. That's definitely more like a hit effect, but it just needs to be a bit quicker. Speed scale 5. Doom, doom. Yes, and now it is too large, so let's make the lifetime 0.2 seconds. It's kind of stuck. But yeah, that's what I wanted. I can just do a plus transform dot basis dot for minus the z minus z, so it's in front. Yes, like so. And yes, perfect. That is just what I want. Oh wow, I can make like some kind of an effect here. That's cool. That is nice. All right, long stream today. I managed to do maybe a couple of stuff, but that's going to help with doing the particles for everything else. So I'm gonna continue working on this, and then hopefully, like fingers crossed, I can show maybe half of this done. Like if I can do all of it, I'm going to be so flipping proud. If I can do all of this up to tomorrow, then I am going to... Okay, here's the challenge for myself. If I can do this whole list in today in a reasonable amount of time, so no like overtime stuff, because I don't want to do that. If I can do that in a reasonable amount of time, I am going to let myself set up a Steam page. That is the challenge and the reward, because I really want to do that. I really want a Steam page, but it costs monies, and yeah, I just don't know if I want to spend that so soon. But if I can get this whole list done in today, I'm gonna let myself get a Steam page. So I don't wish me luck. Thank you everyone for joining. Best of luck, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Good luck on the grind. Yeah, thank you. Good luck to you too, Final Turn. I am excited to play that demo as well. All right, see y'all.